Welcome to the Dr. R. Craft CSS Attribute Selectors tutorial. Attribute selectors allow you to style an element based on its attributes. You can see this paragraph has no attributes, which means it's styled as default, and this paragraph has the title attribute of P, and so it's colored in red. And so this paragraph has title equals paragraph, and it's shown in a blue color. Now attribute selectors are surrounded by square brackets, and so to style an element that has a specified attribute, you just write the name of the attribute in here. So this selects all A elements with a target attribute and gives them a border. If you want to find all A elements with a target attribute of a value, then you can do equals and then the name of the value. So this will only select the link with target equals underscore blank. Now if you use the tilde character in the attribute selector, then it'll select all images with a title attribute that contains the word. So you can see this works, this is highlighted, and this also works. However, if we do this, then you can see it does not work. It needs to be a whole word. So this attribute selector, which uses a vertical line, selects all elements with a class that's either this exact string or this string followed by a hyphen. So now you can see this is content hyphen and this is highlighted. Same for this. However, this does not work because it's not the exact string and it's not followed by a hyphen. However, if we change this vertical line with a caret, and you can see all of these are highlighted. The difference between the vertical line and a caret is for the caret, the value does not have to be a whole word. So even this works. So now the $sign is just like the caret, except instead of scanning the beginning of the string, it scans the end of it. And the value does not have to be a whole word, just like the caret symbol. And so if we remove this, then you can see it's no longer highlighted. So now let's go back to this previous example to show the final attribute selector. If we replace this tilde character with an asterisk, then you can see this is highlighted as well, because it's just like the tilde character, except the value does not have to be a whole word. This concludes the CSS Attribute Selectors tutorial and the entire CSS 1 and 2 basic course. Thank you very much for watching this series.